Hello and welcome back to Easy English Talks, Aura.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
If you are new here, welcome. This channel is for you if you want to learn English in an easy and relaxed way.
Yes, we speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to Talks Aura channel.
It really helps us, and it helps you learn English every day.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Amy.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, everyone talks about this topic every day.
We are going to learn how to talk about the weather in English.
Weather is one of the easiest and most common conversation topics.
You talk about weather with friends,
With family,
with neighbors.
with even strangers.
Why weather is important in English.
In English-speaking countries, weather is small talk.
Small talk means easy, friendly conversation.
For example, you can say, "It's very hot today."
Or, it's cold this morning,
Simple sentences.
but very useful.
Yes, talking about weather helps you start a conversation.
Amy, let me ask you something simple.
Okay,
How is the weather today?
it's sunny and warm.
Perfect. Very easy English.
Weather is different everywhere.
Weather is different in every place.
Some places are hot.
Some places are cold.
Some places are rainy.
Some places are windy.
And sometimes the weather changes quickly.
Yes, in the morning it is sunny. In the afternoon, it rains.
What you will learn in this video:
In this lesson, you will learn
how to talk about sunny weather,
rainy weather,
cold and hot weather,
windy and cloudy days.
and how weather changes your daily plans.
Listening tip. Please listen carefully.
You can pause the video.
Repeat after us.
You don't need perfect English.
Just try.
Okay, Sam, are you ready to start talking about weather?
Yes, I am. Let's start with a very natural conversation.
Great. Let's imagine it's morning.
And we are meeting for the first time today.
Perfect.
Let's begin. Good morning, Amy.
Good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, but wow, the weather today is interesting.
Yes, it is. How is the weather where you are?
It's sunny, but a little cold.
Sunny and cold. That happens a lot in the morning.
Yes, the sun is bright, but the air is cold.
Let's say that again for our learners. The sun is bright, but the air is cold.
Good sentence, very useful.
Talking about sunny weather. Amy, what do we say when the weather is sunny?
We can say it's sunny,
Very easy.
or we can say the sun is shining.
Let's repeat together. The sun is shining.
Sunny weather makes people feel happy.
Yes, people like sunny days.
People go outside.
They go for a walk.
They sit in the park.
They enjoy the day. Amy, ask me a question about sunny weather.
Okay, how is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Perfect.
Now I will ask you, what do you like to do on sunny days?
On sunny days, I like to walk outside.
Very good. Simple and clear.
Talking about cloudy weather. Sam, what about cloudy days?
Cloudy days are common.
Yes, when the sky is full of clouds, we say it's cloudy.
Let's repeat. It's cloudy.
Sometimes it is cloudy but not cold.
Yes, sometimes it is cloudy and warm.
That's true. Cloudy weather feels calm.
I agree. I feel relaxed on cloudy days.
Talking about windy weather. Sam, is it windy today?
Yes, it is a little windy.
When there is a lot of wind, we say, it's windy.
Windy. Windy.
Windy weather can be cold.
Yes, the wind makes the air feel colder.
People wear jackets on windy days.
And scarves.
Talking about cold weather. Amy, do you like cold weather?
Not really. I don't like very cold days.
So how do you say it? It's cold today.
Very good.
Or, it's very cold this morning.
Yes, morning is often colder.
On cold days, I drink hot tea.
That sounds nice. Cold weather vocabulary. Let's teach some easy cold weather words.
Cold.
Freezing. Freezing means very, very cold.
We say, it's freezing today.
Repeat after us. It's freezing today.
Talking about rainy weather. Sam, what about rain?
Rain is very common.
Yes. When water falls from the sky, we say, it's raining.
Let's repeat. It's raining.
Or we can say, it's rainy today.
Both are correct.
On rainy days, people use umbrellas.
And raincoats.
Rainy day conversation. Amy, ask me about rainy weather.
Okay. How's the weather today?
It's rainy and a little cold.
Nice sentence.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video.
Answer this question. How is the weather today?
You can say, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cold, it's windy.
Talking about hot weather. Amy, let's talk about hot weather.
Okay. Hot weather is common in summer.
When it's hot, we say, it's hot today.
Or, it's very hot.
On hot days, people feel tired
Yes, people drink cold water.
and stay inside. Let's teach a very useful sentence pattern.
Okay.
You can say, it's plus weather word.
Like, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's rainy, it's cold, it's hot.
Very easy.
Amy, I think this was very helpful.
Yes, we talked about many types of weather.
And we used very simple English.
Perfect for beginners. Sam, weather changes our daily life a lot.
Yes, it does. Weather changes what we wear
And what we do.
and how we feel.
Let's talk about clothes first.
Good idea.
What do you wear when it is cold?
When it is cold, I wear a jacket.
A warm jacket.
Yes, and sometimes a scarf.
I also wear gloves.
Gloves keep your hands warm.
Let's say that slowly. Gloves keep your hands warm.
Amy, what do you wear when it is hot?
When it is hot, I wear light clothes.
Like a t-shirt.
Yes, and shorts.
Light clothes help you stay cool.
Sam, what about rainy days?
On rainy days, I carry an umbrella.
Very important.
I also wear a raincoat.
Raincoats keep you dry.
Let's repeat. Raincoats keep you dry.
Weather also changes our shoes.
Yes,
On rainy days, I don't wear my favorite shoes.
because they get wet.
Exactly.
On cold days, I wear boots.
Boots are good for cold and rain.
Sam, weather also changes our plans.
Yes, very true.
If it is sunny, people go outside.
They go for a walk.
They meet friends.
They sit in parks.
But what if it is raining?
Then plans change.
People stay inside.
They watch TV.
Or read a book.
Let's teach an easy sentence pattern.
Okay.
If it is, I.
If it is sunny, I go outside.
If it is raining, I stay inside.
Very useful sentence.
Sam, how does weather make you feel?
Sunny weather makes me happy.
Me too.
Rainy weather makes me calm.
Sometimes sleepy.
Yes, rain can make people sleepy.
Cold weather makes me tired.
Hot weather makes me tired too.
That's funny.
Extreme weather is hard.
Let's teach some easy feeling words.
Happy,
Calm,
tired,
sleepy.
relaxed.
Repeat after us.
Sunny weather makes me happy.
Sunny weather makes me happy.
Rainy weather makes me calm.
Rainy weather makes me calm. Amy, do you exercise outside? Yes, sometimes.
When do you exercise outside?
When the weather is nice
Nice weather means not too hot.
and not too cold.
On bad weather days, what do you do?
I exercise at home.
That's smart.
Weather also affects work and school.
Yes,
On rainy days, people leave home early.
because traffic is slow.
On snowy days, schools close.
That makes students happy.
Let's explain some useful words.
Okay.
Forecast.
Forecast means information about future weather
We check the weather forecast.
before making plans.
Temperature.
Temperature tells us how hot or cold it is.
High temperature means hot.
Low temperature means cold.
Amy, how do you check the weather? I check my phone.
Me too.
Weather apps are very useful.
They show rain, sun, and temperature.
Now your turn.
Answer this question.
How does today's weather make you feel?
You can say, it makes me happy.
It makes me tired. Sam, this part was very helpful.
Yes, We connected weather with real life,
Clothes,
plans,
feelings.
daily activities.
Amy, weather also changes with seasons.
Yes, every season has different weather.
Let's talk about seasons one by one.
Good idea. Slow and easy.
Let's start with spring.
Spring is a beautiful season.
In spring, the weather is mild.
Mild means not too hot and not too cold.
That's an important word, mild.
Repeat with us. Mild weather.
In spring, it rains sometimes.
Yes, spring has rain and sunshine.
Flowers grow in spring.
Trees become green again.
People feel fresh and happy. What do you like to do in spring, Sam?
I like to walk outside.
I like to open my windows.
Fresh air feels good.
Now let's talk about summer.
Summer is hot.
Very hot in some places.
People say it's hot today.
Or it's very hot.
In summer, the sun is strong.
Yes, people wear light clothes.
They drink cold drinks.
They use fans or air conditioners. Amy, do you like summer? I like summer mornings.
But not summer afternoons.
Too hot.
Yes, afternoons can be uncomfortable.
Let's teach some summer words.
Hot,
Sunny.
heat.
Humidity.
Humidity means wet air.
Humid weather feels sticky. Now let's move to autumn, also called fall.
In autumn, the weather becomes cool.
Cool means a little cold, but nice.
Leaves change color in autumn.
Yes, red, yellow, orange.
The air feels fresh.
Autumn weather feels calm.
What do people wear in autumn, Sam?
Light jackets,
Long sleeves.
sometimes scarves. Repeat after us.
Autumn weather is cool and fresh.
Autumn weather is cool and fresh. Now winter.
Winter is cold.
Very cold in some places.
In winter, it can snow.
Snow is frozen rain.
People wear heavy clothes in winter.
Coats,
Hats.
gloves,
Winter days are short.
nights are long.
People stay inside more.
Winter vocabulary. Cold,
Freezing.
snowy.
Icy.
Icy means very slippery.
Recapping weather changes.
Amy, weather can change in one day.
Yes.
Morning weather can be different from afternoon weather.
In the morning, it is cool.
In the afternoon, it is warm.
In the evening, it becomes cool again.
Sometimes it is sunny in the morning.
And rainy in the afternoon.
That happens a lot.
Useful time words.
Morning,
Afternoon.
evening.
Night. Talking about tomorrow's weather.
Amy, how do we talk about future weather?
We use simple future sentences.
For example, it will be sunny tomorrow.
Or, it will rain tomorrow.
Let's repeat. It will be sunny tomorrow.
How weather affects mood by season.
Spring makes me feel fresh.
Summer makes me feel tired.
Autumn makes me feel calm.
Winter makes me feel quiet. Practice for viewers.
Now your turn.
What is your favorite season?
Why do you like it?
You can say, I like spring because the weather is mild.
Amy, we talked about all seasons.
Yes.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
And how weather changes.
And how people live with the weather.
Amy, we talked about many things today.
Yes, we did. Now let's slow down and review everything together.
Review means to look again
To remember.
and to practice.
Review, weather words.
Let's start with basic weather words.
Sunny,
Cloudy,
rainy,
windy,
cold.
hot.
These words are very important.
You can use them every day.
Review, simple weather sentences.
Let's repeat some easy sentences.
Repeat after us. It's sunny today.
It's cloudy today.
It's raining today.
It's windy today.
It's cold today.
It's hot today.
Very good. Short sentences are powerful.
Review, weather, and feelings.
Now let's connect weather and feelings.
Sunny weather makes me happy.
Rainy weather makes me calm.
Cold weather makes me tired.
Hot weather makes me tired, too.
You can talk about your feelings easily.
Just be honest.
Review, weather, and daily life.
Weather changes our daily life.
Yes.
It changes our clothes.
It changes our plans.
It changes our activities.
If it is sunny, people go outside.
If it is raining, people stay inside.
If it is cold, people wear jackets.
If it is hot, people wear light clothes. Now let's review the seasons.
Spring,
Spring weather is mild.
summer,
Summer weather is hot.
autumn or fall,
Autumn weather is cool.
winter.
Winter weather is cold.
Every season is different.
And every season is special.
Now let's practice questions.
These questions are very common. How is the weather today?
What's the weather like today?
How is the weather in your city?
What's your favorite season?
These questions help you start conversations.
Very friendly questions.
Real life practice. Amy, I will ask you a question.
Okay.
How is the weather today?
It's cloudy and a little cool.
Nice answer.
Now I will ask you.
Okay.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring because the weather is mild.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Tip for learners. You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are enough.
English is about communication.
Not perfection.
Question of the day.
Now it's time for our
Question of the day. Here is today's question.
What kind of weather do you like most?
And why?
You can write, I like sunny weather because it makes me happy.
Or, I like rainy weather because it makes me calm.
Write your answer in the comments.
Even one sentence is great.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
You are doing an amazing job.
Please remember to like this video.
And subscribe to Talks Aura channel.
We make easy English conversations for you.
New videos every week.
Keep practicing,
Keep smiling.
and don't be afraid to speak English.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.